glass friends, Pam Bartholomew here with Oceanside Glass and Tile. I wanted to share with you a quick video on how to clean our glass prior to using on your art glass projects. There are many contaminants, such as cutting oil, that result from our production process. This residue may be more apparent on our iridized products, but cleaning is an important step even when not visible. We recommend using a foaming glass cleaner such as Sprayway, which can be purchased at your favorite distributor or retailer. Generously apply the glass cleaner, concentrating on any area with heavier residue. With a soft cloth, wipe cleaner off the surface and edges. Please wear gloves when cleaning glass, as the edges are sharp after cutting. As you can see, the residue is easily removed with this general cleaning process. If you have any questions on a specific piece of glass you're working with, please contact your distributor, retailer, or us here at Oceanside. You can email us at artglass@glasstile.com. Stay glassy.